Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shamsa Fazal from Peshawar Model Schools. Dear students, hope you all are fine. Today which topic I'm going to explain it is taken from your computer course of grade 6. Dear students, today our topic is MS Excel's Home tab. And our objective is students will be able to learn about Excel's Home tab. Before going to start our topic, let's have a look on previous knowledge. Dear students, what is Home tab? Home tab is used to perform common commands. Under the Home tab, we have 7 commands: clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cell, and editing. Now let's discuss the first group of Home tab, that is clipboard. Dear students, this group contains frequently used commands such as cut, copy, paste, and format painter. Clipboard option allows us to collect text and graphic items and paste it. Now let's see how to copy, cut, and paste in Excel by using these commands. So dear students, when you copy a cell, the selected cell remains in its original location and is added in a temporary storage area called the clipboard. Dear students, select the cell or cell range you want to copy. So let's select the cell range. So dear students, drag your mouse without lifting your finger from the mouse button. So select the cell you want to copy. Now right click on the copy button under the Home tab and you will see the selected cell highlighted with the moving border. Now right click on the cell where you want to paste your data. So I'm going to click here. Now right click on the paste button under the Home tab. So the cell is pasted here. Now let's see what is cut and paste. Dear students, when you cut a cell, its content is moved from its original location into the selected cell. So select the cell or cell range you want to cut. Select. Now click the cut button on the Home tab. After that, click the cell where you want to paste your data. Now click the paste button. Here it is. Now just see the given data is pasted here. Now just see that the text is moved from its original location into the selected cell. Now let's see what is Format Painter and how we use it. Use the Format Painter on the Home tab to quickly apply the same formatting such as color, font, and size, and body style to multiple pieces of text. The Format Painter lets you copy all the formatting from one object and apply it to another one. So now let's understand Format Painter in Excel using a simple example. Select the cell that contains the formatting you would like to apply to other cells. So now on the Home tab, click the Format Painter. The pointer changes to paintbrush icon and you will see the selected cell highlighted with a moving border. So at the point you can use the painter, select any cells that you would like to receive the same formatting without lifting your finger from the mouse button. Now just see the selected cells become bold and get an orange background. It's not just color, the text styles that you can use. The Format Painter works with any formatting you can think of. You can also change their size like this. So to stop formatting, press escape button. So dear students, today we learn about Excel's Home tab. Excel's Home tab is used to perform common commands. Under the Home tab we have 7 commands: clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cells and editing. On the other hand, we learn about clipboard. Clipboard is the first group under the Home tab, and this group contains frequently used commands such as cut, copy, paste and Format Painter. Clipboard option allows us to collect text and graphic items and paste it. So take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe.